super useful for making your program more dynamic and informative. First, let's set up our variable. We have product book with stories the name of our product and price 12.99, which stories the price. Notice that the product is code because it's string of text, but the price is an. Let's print our sentence. We use the print function to display text on this screen. Inside the parentheses, we're going to build our sentence by connecting different pieces together. We start with the text, the price of calculate or add our product, variables, then the text is finally we add the price. Because price is a number, we need to convert it to a string using price before we can add into our sentence. To run this code, save the file with a py extension. For example, price display py. Then open your terminal or command prompt, navigate to the folder where you save the file, and type python paste display py and press enter. You see the output. The price of the book is 12.99 printed on your screen. Python has taken the value of our product and price variables and inserted them into our sentence.